Hey guys, Mike is back with another video. I just recorded like 2, 3, 4 different videos back to back. If you're new to my channel, watch my other videos. Today what we're doing here, we're testing brand new company in Amazon, Mobiator. They sent it to me to test this subwoofer, but I don't care about the company, all that stuff. You know how my email, it goes back. I test it. If it's a product is good, I will suggest to my viewers. If the product is crap, I'm gonna sell the crap. So I did so many videos like that, right? This one's gonna be 12-inch version. As you can see on the box, we have the cut template and with even the screw template, Mobiator. If I say wrong the name, it means I'm saying the wrong name. Right, this is a 12-inch version. Never do that, never push that, because you're gonna damage the large intake here. 350 watt RMS power, 4+4. Also you can buy +2 ohm version, right? And also exactly same design. As you can see, spider sits on that plastic. So when we want to do just a coiling, we're gonna just unscrew this stuff. It's gonna move everything and we can just slab new one. It's really interesting, very easy to recoil the subwoofer. You see the coil is really nice quality, like it's not over acid glues, anything like that, right? The magnet is also nice and good quality magnets inside, very flat magnet. And also you have a foam here that sits really nice and clean. Then hope this Mobiator the names, I like the design wise. Let's connect to the amplifier and rock and roll these subwoofers. So I did the previous video running from Timpani microscopic amp. That previous video, this is my SPL meter. I did the previous video with this running from this microscopic amplifier, and this amplifier was a rock and rolling the speaker. I say this so many times in my videos, guys. If you know how to connect all the wires, how to set up, how to tune your amplifier with the right way, you're gonna get really good sound without spending tons of money, right? Now the part 2 of this test, I'm running from Genius Audio. The reason why I choose this amplifier, they say like 2000 watts maximum power, but on the dyno this amplifier, it puts up like 3600 watts, or like crazy power, right? When you feed this amplifier with the correct signal. So this is a Monster Monoblock amplifier. So this is overkill for these subwoofers. You can run from these amplifiers 2 15-inch subwoofers, 4 15-inch subwoofers. This amplifier is a 1 ohm table amplifier, so it's a powerhouse, right? So just to show you guys what's happened with your subwoofer if you run the strong powerful amplifier, right? My wires is just connected. I'm gonna tug it down and we're gonna start running the music. All right, I'm tuning, right? As the gain is 0 right now. Watch on the amplifier, right? The music is, I think the music is stopped. Watch, it's 20%. All right, so we're gonna just cut the boost 50%. 30 boost, it's gonna be 30 hertz and 80 hertz. We're gonna give the 30% that. This one 50%. We're gonna give it like around 20%, right? So now amplifier, we're gonna give 50%, and my LC, it's all 50%. So now we're gonna go to the car and we're gonna start rock and rolling. The gain 50%. Oh shit, that's too much. I almost burned my subwoofers. They're both connected now. Alright, don't do those kind of mistakes. Now it's like a gain is 10%. As you can see, gain right here, 10%, right? And it's rock and rolls already. So this amplifier is too much for this, but let's go to the car. Mobiator, the single subwoofer. I'm gonna run just a 1 subwoofer, shallow subwoofer. You shouldn't run the shallow subwoofers. They made for a lot punchier bass. I have this case, that's why I'm gonna run it. Okay, this is 1 single Mobiator. Alright, let's go inside and listen. 12-inch sub, cheap box. Bass gain at 30%. So I'm running audio. Watch. Audio is around like 10%, 15%, even less than 15%. If I do subwoofer gain at 0, watch, still it gives a lot of bass.
Belly too.
My sub gain it was a 0 and it gives still a tons of bass, right? So 1/12" more than enough for a lot of guys. If you connect your feed with the right signal, with the clean signal, your amplifier, and you have a right amplifier, you're gonna get a lot of bass from these kind of subwoofers, right? Sometimes you can run the 2 subwoofers or the 2 10-inch. I'm gonna make the comparison with the 2 subwoofers, right? So again, the Mobiator, you have a 2 terminals. You can buy with the 2 terminals 4 ohm 4 ohm or a 2 ohm 2 ohm, so it's gonna go to 1 ohm. And with this amplifier, it's gonna be like stupid the bassy, right? So great company, is a new company in the Amazon. Hope we're gonna see a lot of reviews and a lot of purchase, and we're gonna support these kind of the brand new companies, right? I bring so many brand new companies, unknown companies to my channel, and they start selling a lot of the reviews. And also you can read the comments. A lot of guys, they say, hey Mike, I bought the products you suggest to me for the price and I'm really happy. It happens all the time. You can read all the comments. I forget to say, guys, if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe it, support my small microscopic channel. It's gonna help me a lot to create, you know, some interesting content and to choose the right product for your money, right? I'm gonna create a bunch of tons of review products. I have tons of products to review it, and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion like always I do. Hope I see you in the next video.